The Steiner Military-Marine 7x50 binoculars offer excellent optical performance with 7 times magnification and a wide field of view, making them ideal for a variety of outdoor activities. These binoculars feature a sports autofocus system that provides clear three-dimensional images from 20 yards to infinity without the need for constant refocusing. Built to endure tough conditions, the floating prism system uses flexible silicone lens mounts to absorb shock and impact, ensuring long-lasting durability. The Makrolon housing is constructed from a robust polycarbonate material with NBR rubber armoring, creating a lightweight yet rugged design that can withstand 11 grams of impact. Modeled after the U.S. Army's M22 binoculars, these optics offer military-grade precision and clarity, making them suitable for both civilian and tactical use. Steiner stands behind their products with a heritage warranty that promises to repair or replace defective products for the lifetime of the binoculars, emphasizing their commitment to quality.